Hello, I'm Monique Rael Goals, and I'm 20 years old, and today's December. Bridget, what's the date?
Why do you have to keep on doing that?
Because I wonder what the date is.
13!
December 13, 2008. And this is the first vlog that I have in my awful English accent, bloody American impersonation. But yeah, so 3 weeks till I go to London, and I'm really excited. But I'm also going to miss everybody here at Ryder and Brick. That is my home, and I miss you already since semester recently ended. And so yeah, this is a test, and I'm trying to put together a site with my photography, my film, and my blog, so you guys don't feel too distant from me. So blog 1 completed. Bridget.
What?
I'm sorry, I was just gonna say good night.
Okay.
Give me a glass of water.